So 3 plus -5 using the CHIPS model. So I am adding together 3 positives. So they told us to use colored in dots for positives and open circles for negatives. So I'm going to add 5 open circles. And I know that every time we have a positive and a negative, they pair together to make nothing, right? They sort of cancel each other out. So what I'm left with is -2. And then the number line model, I have a person starting at 0, facing the positive direction, and I'm going to go 3 forwards for this +3. I'm not good at this drawing, so I'm using the hair to indicate direction. Okay, and then I need to go 5 backwards because I'm adding -5. So person's facing the same direction, but we need to take 5 steps backwards. So that lands me right here at -2.